YouTube, we're back. One of one, unique, and we're back with a motherfucking video again and shit. So, as our boys know, we've been gone for like 3 months, 2 months and shit. I've been really inconsistent and shit. I wouldn't say it's like being lazy, but it's just I've been inconsistent like fuck, bro. But hey, we're back. We gonna be doing videos like crazy and shit. But clothing, well, custom clothing review part 2. So I'm gonna be like reviewing some old shit and then some new shit I made. But I would have had like more new shit basically if my sewing machine didn't break. How that shit broke? I have no fucking clue. Like me looking at that shit like right now, something was going on with the bobbin thread, the bottom threading kept getting jammed, the bottom and shit. Now to the point where I don't know what the fuck to do. So now I gotta spend some old rackies to buy another sewing machine and shit. But we got some more clothes that we made. Some painted, some made by hand or some shit, you feel me? And also, we're gonna be reviewing some old shit too. So if not, let's get started. YouTube. We're back. So, to start the showcase off, we're gonna review like old clothes I made first and then new clothes. So, if not, let's get started. So, I'm gonna be like holding the clothing piece and shit. And then I'm gonna show like different POVs of it while I'm talking over and shit. It makes sense, so like everybody get to catch a good eye on it, basically. So if not, let's get started. This was like my first jacket I made, probably like the first one. Like I said, the only jacket I ever made because I like making pants more. Pants are just way more cooler. So yeah, it's like a regular box fit gray hoodie with like camouflage cutouts in it, type shit. I understand. I had this like big ass camouflage shirt. I just like started cutting like holes in it and shit, and sewed it on this one. So yeah, on to the next item. So if not, we're gonna review like the very first piece of clothing I ever made. It's kind of ass. I'm not gonna even hold you. Like me saying it's ass, that means a lot, cause I made this shit. So yeah. It's like my first pair of jorts I made because just like at the like summertime and shit. So like put some shit on, you feel me? So yeah. So these are that. Alright, let me show y'all better. Boom. So yeah. So I can't really say they're unique in a way, but it's like just like some regular shit I got. So yeah. So we on to my top 2 favorite jorts. I wear these shits like so many times, bro. That shit is not even crazy. Cause like the first pairs I'm finna show you. Oh shit, you dropped the hanger. I wear these shits and I got like so many compliments. It was crazy, bro. I had the whole world on my dick for a second. I'm lying like fuck. But during the summertime, I used to wear both of these shits heavy as fuck, bro. Like I stayed wearing these shits like crazy, bro. I did not stop wearing these shits. Especially the blue pair I'm gonna show y'all. Blue? I wouldn't say blue. It's like I don't even know what fucking color this shit is, honestly. So my goal with this shit was I didn't really want to be too different, but I just dyed a pair of jeans. No matter of fact, Me explaining everything for this pair of jorts was in a whole video. I was like, let's go make some custom jorts, some shit like that, bro. So yeah, y'all go watch that video. The video is pretty dope as hell. I watched it. Skirt. All right. Boom, boom, boom. Like my first pair of jeans I made. So after this one, we're going to some new stuff I made. Boom. And the new stuff I made is actually dope as fuck. It's dope as fuck. Like way too dope to be on this planet. So yeah. Who doing it like me? Double waisted jeans. Who doing it like me? Let me start. Made these shits a while ago. Like wow ago. You feel me? And it's like my first pair of jeans I actually tried to I tried to flare up. I remember that shit too. I was watching a YouTube video how to make like flare jeans or some shit. And bro, I was feeling like fuck. I'm in this bitch rewind the video back to back. Now I know what the fuck to do. My second attempt, I was like, no, matter of fact, I spent all night trying to do that shit, bro. And I kept fucking up. And then when I finally got the shit right, I did the whole entire thing wrong. I'm sewing the flare from the outside back in. And one of them bitch I did it from the inside back in. Like that makes sense. I fucked some shit up like crazy, bro. Like as you can like see right here. And then the flare, it wasn't even a fucking flare. That shit was kind of ass. It's like a little fucking 5-inch flare. But I like to say, everybody get somewhere. You feel me? You just keep on going. So yeah, that's really it with these. But I got that over with kind of quick because the new stuff I actually made is pretty unique. I fuck with it. So I had a bunch of ideas for them too. So one of my ideas with like making some jeans was like basically trying to make some oversized jeans. So I was planning on making like some colossal type jeans, like a pair of jeans that will swallow up my leg and my boots at the same time. I like wearing boots. But I ended up like doing like a 20-inch flare up, like in the height. It was like 20 inches, I believe. Is that 20 inches? Bro, I am dumb as hell. 20 inches up and then like 8 inches in the width of the jeans. So like basically like colossal flare. And the crazy thing is, bro, I did not watch no YouTube videos. It is my second time. And I made these bitches perfect, bro. Like perfect on my second time. That's crazy as fuck. To make some shit this perfect on the second time is insane. But yeah. Now I wanted to like try my artistic type of style. My artistic skilling and shit, you feel me? Honestly, I'm pretty good at like drawing. Like I won't say good, I'm amazing at drawing. Like give me a pen, paper, bro, I will draw some crazy ass shit. My artistic skills is like insane basically. But for these pair of jeans, I snap. Like bro, I snap. This has to be my favorite pair of jeans ever made. And I call these the Garden of Denim. Whoa. So yeah, let me give y'all boys a quick showcase right quick, and then some different POVs. So yeah, I got some extra jeans up in that bitch, my closet. So I'm planning on making another pair like these, but instead of flowers, the ocean. It's gonna be fire as fuck. I'm very artistic. My dumb ass almost said autistic. But yeah, on to the last pair. And let me quote: the last pair is unfinished. My sewing machine is down. It's unfinished. Oh shit. Everything almost came off. So yeah. I was very interested in like tribals and shit. So I wanted to make a pair of jeans like that. So let me give y'all boys a quick view right quick. So yeah. Niggas don't know how pissed I am for me not finishing shit. Cause I hate not finishing shit. If I say I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do that shit. And I expect to get done till I'm finished. You feel me? I'm not the type of person to like get done and be like, I'll do this shit later, finish it later. If I'm already working on some shit, I'm gonna finish that shit. If I haven't started, then I'll probably be like, I'll finish shit later. But if I'm currently working on some shit, I'm gonna finish that shit in that same hour. So going towards end the video and shit. Plan on making another video next week after I drop this video. Might drop another week later, but being very consistent now, especially going into the New Year's and shit. And the motherfucker's starting college, so I'm really gonna be trying to be very consistent and shit. You feel me? But yeah, think about giving like a room tour, cause lately, bro, in this past month, I've been buying so much shit for my room. My room is like stocked up right now, full of shit, bro. So yeah, room tour coming, another video coming and shit. So yeah, make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, turn post notifications on this shit. And yeah, it's a one of one, unique, and we out.